The TATE PT100 welding machine is the perfect solution for all your temperature sensor welding needs. This machine specializes in welding a wide variety of temperature sensors, including PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and thermocouples. Our PT100 welding machine is designed for exceptional precision and efficiency. Equipped with the latest welding technology, it ensures the correct heat levels are maintained, avoiding damage to delicate components. Whether you're welding high-accuracy RTDs or versatile thermocouples, the TATE PT100 guarantees high-quality welds every time. It also reduces the risk of weld defects and minimizes welding time, improving your overall production speed. As the original manufacturers, we provide not only the best machines, but also unbeatable customer support. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. For more details, email info@oktate.com.